I tried all the video tools in Phygital Plus to make a short video for book marketing. Here are the results. Phygital Plus lets you create AI media with different tools so you can connect them together and save time with all the tools in one place. To make the video, I used images I created for a book for Amazon KDP, and I want to create a storyline with the images so I can make it a video for marketing the book. There are two options to make the video. The first one is to make the video from one image and give a prompt on what I want the image to do for me. The other option is to create a video with two images, one for the beginning and one for the end of the video. Not all the tools give you the option to do the two images, so let's see how it worked and what is the best tool for this kind of video. Starting with Runway, this tool only has the option for one image, so I take the bunny from the beginning of the book. I have it already in the canvas because from the images I generated for the book. And to tell the video I want it to start from this scene, I connect the orange dots in both nodes. The images from the original AI generation have numbers next to the orange dots, so I know what image I am grabbing from all the three of them that I have here. For the prompt, I asked it to make it walk around the forest and move its ears. I also used some of the other options in the settings, like animation type, but I am not sure that it makes it helpful for this situation. This is what I got after it generated the video. I think it is scary. The bunny walks on 2 legs instead of 4, and it is bigger. Sora 2 also had a one image only option, so I tried it too. But the first time I tried it, it just collapsed and didn't produce anything. The next time I tried it, it just generated one static image without doing anything. It also changed the image and made it stretched. So don't use Sora 2 for now inside Phygital Plus if you don't want it to cost you credits. I asked for support, and I will update the post after they answer me. The next video tool is Kling. This one lets you add 2 images, and you can also add a negative prompt. The first image I use has 3 hands in the image it generated for the book. You can see in this video what I did with it to make it only with 2 hands. I upload to Phygital Plus the image by dragging it from my computer to the canvas and connect it to the video with the orange dots. I should have connected it to the end frame. The second image I take from what I got for the generation on the page and connect it to the other point. This is what I got. Pretty good, I can say. If I had switched the frames, it would have been what I wanted, but the idea worked. For this tool, it is 500 credits for the 5-second video. Next, I tried Hailuo. This tool surprised me. It was very cheap based on credits, but it did the best job, in my opinion, for making the video. For this, I took 2 images from the book. One is the bunny with a nest that was falling into a cliff. The next image is the bunny with the nest saved on the forest ground. I wanted to make a small clip to show the savings. After connecting the dots and adding the prompt that explained what I wanted to do, it just did the job very nicely. It looks like one forest. In contrast, I also tried the same scene with VEO and Seedance, which cost me double the credits, and this is the result. It is just jumping from one image to the other. Not very useful. One Video is another tool I tried, and it had the same results as Seedance and VEO. Not impressive like Kling and Hailuo. After this test, I also tried to see how Hailuo handles the squirrel getting the nut from the bunny, and here are the results. I think it is better with Hailuo. For this kind of video, if you ask me, based on this test, it is good to use Hailuo or Kling. Watch this video next to see how I created the images in the first place. Also with Phygital Plus, different tools. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.